I'm Jackie Holm, also known as your self-care sis, and today I'm sharing how to do a quick dash out the door look or 5-minute face and get on your way in just a few simple steps. Okay, so let's get started. Today, I'm actually going to start out with what a lot of people finish with, mascara. And for me, I've found that with my deep set eyes and even I have a small hand tremor, that I found it easier to do my mascara first so that if I have some marks on my eyes, I'm not basically using my makeup, I'm not removing all of that makeup that I just did. So instead of having it my last, I'm doing it first. So I love to use our waterproof mascara. As you can see, I shimmy at the base so that it's at its thickest. And step 2, I use our concealer to help even out the skin tone and just especially brighten up around the eye area. And third, I go ahead with my foundation. So whether you like to use a liquid foundation or a mineral powder foundation, really up to you and your choice. I love to use our blending brush, and then I just do a little squirt of the foundation right on there. And you need very little. A little goes a long ways with our foundation. And the big thing is kind of blend from the center out. As you saw, I start where I feel like I need the most coverage, which is right in the middle, which is pretty normal, and then fan it out from there. This blending brush is made for a fuller coverage, if you like full coverage. I love to do a little bit of eye color, so the liquid eye color, this one is in Pink Starlight, and you can just pat a little bit on the eyelid. Don't need much. I love to use this one as my base, or even the Light Beam as a great color. Just a real light shimmer, and kind of works as a highlight and a base all in one step. And then just a little bit of color as well for the cheeks. And I do a little trick for my color. So I will take my cheek color and put my contour right below it. Then I take my cheek brush and I sweep them over both at once. And so you actually have both that you can do in one quick step. So I just line that up along my cheekbone. See. All right, we are at our final step, and of course that's just to finish the lips off. So you can do lipstick or lip gloss. All right, so that's your nice quick look that you can kind of just do on an everyday basis, look nice and finished in just a few quick steps. So I hope you learned some fun tips today, and subscribe so you can learn what's new next week as well. Thanks for joining me.